Welcome to the Earth Eats Test Kitchen. My name is Heather, and today we're going to make some sweet stuff roll-ups.
What is in a sweet stuff roll-up?
Well, let me tell you. I like to get a tortilla or a wrap, whatever you have.
Okay.
And I use a little bit of cream cheese,
Okay.
a little bit of banana that's chopped,
Oh, yeah?
and some fresh preserves that I just made, strawberry.
Oh.
It's really easy. You could do it.
So what do you put on first?
Well, first, I lay out my tortilla or my
Okay.
wrap, and I put a little bit of cream cheese in the center.
Okay.
And this is really easy to do. You could do this.
Oh, yeah. Or you could do it.
Yeah. And use as much as you like. But if you use too much when you roll it up, it'll all squeeze out the sides.
That gets messy,
It's messy. So I'm just going to put a little bit in the center.
Okay.
That's it.
All right. That looks good.
It is good. And now I'm going to put a little bit of these fresh fruit preserves.
Okay.
I'm using
and
strawberry.
what does preserve mean?
Well, you could also call it jelly or jam.
Got it.
It's a little bit more chunky and fruity than a jelly.
Yeah.
I like it. It's really good.
Yeah, that looks good. Yeah.
And
So
now
what is next?
I'm going to chop a banana.
Banana.
And bananas are soft,
Yeah.
so you could use a butter knife or a
Okay.
little plastic knife, something
Yeah.
that you have. I'm going to use my big knife.
Oh.
It's faster.
Oh. That's a scary knife.
Well, this is just for the adults.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Felix would use a butter knife.
Yeah.
But it's not just for butter, right?
Not just for butter.
Right.
It's also for bananas.
Yeah.
And
Banana
I'm gonna
knife.
sprinkle a little bit on there.
Okay.
Again, don't use too much.
Yeah.
You can just make another one.
Okay.
And I'm going to
I
roll
bet
it up.
monkeys would like this one, huh,
They
Heather?
would love it.
Yeah.
Everyone seems to like this.
Yeah.
So I'm going to roll it up really nice and tight.
Okay.
And that's it.
All done?
Yeah.
No microwave?
No microwave. No blender.
No blend? Oh,
No appliances.
Thank goodness.
And
That blender is loud.
It is.
Yeah.
It's really easy. And look how pretty it is on the inside. You can see the cream cheese and the bananas. It
Yeah.
smells good and it tastes even better.
Oh, wait. Can I try?
You can try it. What do you think?
Oh, that is good. Oh, that is really good. Oh.
Now I would give you both, but this one is for me.
Oh, yeah. We have to share.
We do have to share.
Yes, yeah.
And it's really easy. And we did it together.
Yes, we did. Team Feather.